Hi students, now let's see a program addition of two numbers with the help of function where I would like to implement it without arguments and with return values. Okay, so in the function prototype, so here I have the two arguments and it has a return type integer. Okay, so in the main function I'm reading the values here, then calling this function called add. So here I'm passing the two arguments and here I have a return keyword. So return x plus y. So the a value will be taken to this x and the b value will be taken to this y. So my type of the type of the value I'm sending here, it is integer type. Okay, so I have arguments as well as return statement. So with arguments and with return values. Run the code. Just enter 100 and 200. It's giving addition of the 100 and 200 is 300. See here, for example, if I declare here this variable as a float and y also float, okay, and also I return type also I write it as a float here. So in the function prototype I declared it as a float. Now check it. Undefined reference to add. Okay, so in the function prototype I need to declare this as a float variables. See, I'm giving now 100 and 200. So now also it is printing only 300 only. Okay, let's modify this, declare this as a float variable. So result equal to %f. Okay, because I declared the result variable as a float. Now run it. So 100 and 200. So now it is printing only 300.6 decimal places. Let's modify the completely the data type also while passing it. This a and b also I declare it as a float. Now here %f, %f. Okay, fine. The addition of %f and %f is fine. Now execute it. So 2.5 space something 4.3 I'm giving. So the result it is getting 6.8. But let's modify the return type and see how it will be printed. I write it as a return type as the int. Okay, run the code now. So like I'm giving the 2.3 and 2.5 and 4.3. See, now instead of the result 6.8, it is taking only 6. Why? Because I specified here return type as a integer.
Okay, so in the function definition also I specified that as a integer. So even you enter x equal to 2.5 and y equal to 4.3 instead of the 6.8. Okay, the result is 6.8, but the thing is I'm passing the here integer type, so this decimal part will be truncated. It returns the only 6. Okay, so if you want exactly the expected result like a float, you should declare it as a float here. Then in the function definition or in the prototype also, the return type must be float. So like this I can implement the with arguments and as well as with return values.